How to add more columns and rows to your Apple numbers in Mac. So open your Apple numbers project and this is my table. If I want to add columns, in the top menu bar of these names of the column ABCD, here is this little option. Click it and grab it to the right and it will add more columns. Another way how you can do it, just click on Format in the right upper corner area, make sure you are in Table, and here is the Rows and Column option. If you want to add column, simply click here. If you want to add some rows, click here. Also in Rows option, you can grab this one and move it to down and add some rows. On the opposite side, if you want to remove or delete rows and columns, grab it and move it to the top and also move it to the left. So this was how you can add columns and rows in Apple Numbers on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.